Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to give you the answer to this question, that is how long does it take for a TD Bank card to come in the mail. So in order to find the answer to this question, we will have to go through the TD Bank's official articles, and I have found this article in which they have mentioned how much or how long will it take. So for applications submitted online, you will receive a response by email. For applications submitted through one of the four branches, you will receive a response from the representative that assisted you with your application. For applications submitted over the phone by existing bank customers, you will receive a response by mail within 7 to 10 business days. For applications submitted over the phone by new TD Bank customers, approved applications will be receive a call from a branch representative when when your card is ready to be picked up. Declined applications will receive the notice by mail within 7 to 10 business days. Typically, an application will take 2 business days to process, plus an additional 7 to 10 business days to have the card directly mailed to your residence. So, we get the answer to our question. You may have to wait up to 10 days in order to get the card mailed at your residence. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.